Good morning. Second week of September. Got a lot of wind last night. None of my plants got any damage, but as you can tell, I'm starting to hang some of the weight with those yo-yos on top. Let me walk in here. Sorry if it's a little jerky right now. Everything's looking good. All the plants are fattening up. I just come right in here, and this is blueberry muffin. Yeah, she's a pretty girl. Fat cola's gonna be over here. Lemon skunk. Hanging her up with a lot of the weight too. This swing here, orange cream pop. She's just looking fantastic. She's just big and bushy everywhere. I'm swinging over here to this bush. This is banana blaze, Dutch passion seeds. And she's actually very, very decent. She's going to have a lot of good yield in her. We're looking second week of October. The clones. It's OG trip. I'm not impressed. Sorry, it's just not my. It's a clone. I can blame the clone, not the seed, but. And this is Kept Junkie, which is doing better than the OG trip. Both of them in a bag. This is the best one, which was a that meekly sad looking clone I got, which was Sunday Driver. But man, if I started with this as seed, this would be a monster plant. Turn. Right here we have Colorman Kush. She's young still. Over here, this is seed, but it is in a bag too. It is orange cream pop. Magnificently doing. It's a good seed. I'm glad, Patrick, you wanted it. And then here is Papaya Pancakes, who is, I'm going to swing so you can see her a little bit better. She's looking fantastic, and I should have planted her a lot earlier. You see the frost coming in on her. Swinging to the left here is the Auto. She's actually not doing bad. She's got good color. I'm going to step back, and this is Memberberry. Not much, but that's what it is. Next year, I'm going to add a rail that'll give me 9 plants. New cloth, one that's the right size, and these stupid bamboo things that I thought at the time was a bright idea is not a bright idea. They bow, they bend, they flex, they pop out. Basically, on each plant I need 4 posts. I'm going to do those in rebar, have them at a slight angle outwards, and then I'll use the bamboo horizontally, but not as posts. See you next week.